I surrender to the breaking day. I walk the path, I find my way. The shadows shift, the air is clear. I am at peace, there is no fear. Every moment holds a sacred grace. I feel the spirit in this quiet space. The morning paints the sky in gold. I am a magnet for miracles. Today is filled with light, so filled with light. The morning paints the sky in gold. I am a magnet for miracles. Today is filled with light, so filled with light. Oh. Opportunities are flowing to my door. I have enough and I am craving more of beauty, kindness, and the gentle sun. I see the work of love is never done. I claim my joy, I claim my truth. I feel the energy of eternal youth. The morning paints the sky in gold. I am a magnet for miracles. Today is filled with light, so filled with light. The morning paints the sky in gold. I am a magnet for miracles. Today is filled with light, so filled with light. I attract bigness, I attract peace, I attract blessings. I am open to the magic of today. The morning paints the sky in gold. I am a magnet for miracles. Today is filled with light, so filled with light.
The music fades slowly, leaving a lingering, angelic, an echo that feels like morning sunshine.